cher. C'est pas joie que moi senti m'bouquet. Le voyer pied trouver ma bon. C'est vous-même qu'à la cause, ça arrive.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Manger la Caille 2020. Bienvenue à Manger la Caille 2020. Guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time joining us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Si c'est la première fois nous venons, pas oublier pour nous abonner, partager avec son petit cloche la bonne si doit meilleur, partager avec amis nous. Guys, welcome back. Moi gon bon bagay pour nous, bon bagay spécial là. Un bon bagay qui peut faire nous manger la caille. Okay, guys? We have something nutritious and delicious today that we're gonna cook, okay? So, jeudi à nous pour faire poisson good sel. Guys, we're gonna make it salted red snapper. This is nutritious and delicious. Nutritious and delicious. Okay, guys, let's get started. Let me tell you what you're gonna need to make this nutritious and delicious salted red snapper. Okay, guys, first thing first, you're gonna need your red snapper. What besoin yon grain poisson was okay. What besoin lime. You're gonna need 4 cloves of garlic. You're gonna need épices blended. If you don't know how to make épices blended, guys, I show you how to make it on my channel. I will actually link the description in the description box, okay? I will link the video in the description box, okay? If you don't know how to make épices blended, I teach you, okay? Of course, you're gonna need your oil. You're gonna need limes, okay? What besoin l'huile, épices blended, what besoin lime, okay? What besoin thé, you're gonna need thyme. What besoin sel, what besoin piment fort, what besoin oignon, et puis what besoin piment douce. Okay, let me just go over that because I went really quick. So you're going to need garlic cloves. You're gonna need épices blended. You're gonna need oil. You're gonna need limes. Okay, you're going to need thyme. You're going to need salt. You're going to need habanero peppers, onions, and bell peppers, okay? All right, guys, on nous commencer pour nous faire bon poisson côte sel ça. On nous commencer, guys. Let's get started to make this nutritious and delicious salted red snapper. Okay, guys, premier bagay nous pour faire, n'a gratter poisson nous. What we're doing is we're descaling our fish. We already descaled it. Nous devons fin gratter li kon ya la, n'a fin gratter net. Okay. Okay, as you can see, the inside of the fish is already cleaned out. We're just gonna take this piece out. Okay, see it? Middle of the fish. All right, now we're squeezing our lime juice, some more lime juice in it. On a mis le citron là-dedans toujours. Now we're rinsing it. Just putting the lime juice in the middle of the fish where we just cut it. N'a passé acide citron, non poisson, puis qu'à rentrer en devienne poisson. N'a nettoyer toujours. Pour en de poisson, mais ouais. You gotta remove all of the gooky stuff, the inside of the fish. Okay, see how it's nice and beautifully cleaned? Yes, you see how beautiful that is? It's nicely cleaned, okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to finish squeezing our lime juice and cleaning the fish, and we're going to score the fish. Ok, na passe couteau nou na bon poisson. And we're going to do that on both sides. Na fè ça sous tous les deux bon poisson. Just scoring the fish. Okay, now what we're doing is we're rinsing it again. Ça n'a pas à rincer encore. And we're rinsing it with cold water. Avec de l'eau fouette n'a laver, okay? Okay, now we're squeezing some lime juice after we finish rinsing it. Kounya na mette acide citron na poisson. Après nous fin rincer. Now we're gonna add our salt. Kounya na mette sel. Now we're adding our épices. Kounya na mette épices. Na season poisson. Okay, so we added our thyme. Kounya nou mette tenu. Na pral mette laila. Now we're gonna add our garlic cloves, okay? Okay, that's our garlic cloves. All right, guys, what we're going to do now is we're going to cook the fish. Konya la sa nou pral fè, nou pral mette poisson bouilli, okay? Okay, so you have your pot of water. Nou mette en casserole d'eau, et puis konya nou pral mette poisson. Now we're adding our fish. All right. And we added our habanero pepper with cloves. Okay, guys, mes poissons la bouillie. Here's the fish, guys. It's boiling. All right. It smells so delicious. Bon bagay sorti bon. Oui ka fait la de manger la kay. Gade poisson good sel ka bouilli la. Mes amis, nou pral manger net. Okay, guys, mes poissons li fin bouilli. Konya la nou pral retirer. Guys, the fish is finished boiling. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take it out of the pot. Okay, guys, in a pot, we're going to add some oil. Nap mette l'huile non chaudière. Okay, not a lot of oil, just a little bit. Now to that pot, we're going to add our onions. Konya nap mette oil nou fwi. And now we're just going to take them out. All right, guys, here's our finished product. Meli, mes poissons gros de sel nous. Ooh, got un bon poisson gros de sel. Here it is. Here's our salted fish. Nutritious and delicious. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to dig in, guys. Mes poissons gros de sel nou meli. Bon bagay net coupé douette. Guys, c'est pour nous faire bon manger pour mari, nous petite, nous boyfriend, nous girlfriend, nous sister friend, nous salier ya. C'est pour nous faire bon bagay. Ouais, nous mettons gros poisson gros de sel là. Nous mettons petit maïmoun les collé ensemble avec lui pour manger. On soit qu'à manger banane. What we did a corn grits with beans for our side. And here's our nice fish, our salted fish. You can eat it with boiled plantains or fried plantains. We usually eat ours with boiled plantains, but it's delicious. I also like it with our corn grits, our mixed corn grits with peas, okay? Our beans and our corn grits. So delicious, okay? Guys, you have to cook delicious food for your husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, sister, friend, whatever it is, okay? You gotta cook good, nutritious and delicious food, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Give me that thumbs up. Hit that notification bell. Share it with your friends. Guys, si nou reme video sa nou fe bon poisson kote sel sa. Partage li avec zami nou. Abonne chaîne nan pou mwen. Bon ti, sonne ti cloche la pou mwen. Bon ti doit me an pou nou. Si nou ta reme pou nou fe un événement pou nou, nou la Atlanta, Georgia. Rele nou 754-204-0031. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you would like for us to cater an event for you, call us 754-204-0031 or 754-214-9385. Ou soit nous carrele nous sur 754 D14 43 45. Si nous ta remè, voyez email ban nous avec request nous, voyez email là c'est mangelacai2020@gmail.com. You can also reach us by email mangelacai2020@gmail.com. Okay, if you would like to check out our social media pages, on Facebook we're Mangelacai, on Instagram we're Mangelacai202019. On Twitter, we're Mangelacai 2020, okay? Si nou ta reme gade social media page nou, Mangelacai sur Facebook, sur Instagram, Mangelacai 2020-19, sur Twitter, c'est Mangelacai 2020. Mais les guys, mes bon manger, mes bon poisson gros sel là, nous mettons un petit maï moulin bon côté, maï moulin collé, bon bagay ka fait là, bon bagay coupé douette, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Pas oublier abonner. Moi, nous on ti jan tou chicha avec ti douette mais oui. Pas oublier pour nous abonner, sonner ti cloche là pour moi bon ti douette mais, okay? Guys, nous la Atlanta, Georgia, n'importe ça nous besoin, relez nous, okay? Ils mettent ça en fait pour petit tout, nous fait gâteau, nous fait pâté, nous fait pain, nous fait tout bagay net. Ok, pas de bagay manger la caille pas qu'on fait. Ok, relez nous pour nous faire bon événement pour nous. Ok. All right, guys. Thank you so much for my people in Atlanta who's already supported me. If you would like for us to cater an event, we're here. We know how to make Haitian bread, Haitian patties, cremas, cakes, everything you need Haitian cuisine. We got you. Contact us. We're here for your every event needs, okay? We do authentic Haitian cuisine. Thank you, guys. You have a wonderful day. Bon appétit.